What's going on, my friends? And today we are going to be upgrading our tail lamps to the LED tail lamps because our Jeep didn't came with the LED option or LED package from the factory, so we're going to make this happen. So stay tuned for this video. And if you're familiar with JK tail lamps, they had 4 bolts here, and the JL doesn't have that anymore. And everything you're going to need is this, guys. Just take the longest and take this one. So you're going to remove this plug here. Let me show you guys how to do it. Be careful, guys, because this is a plastic nut and you don't want to break it. And it's going to look like this. Plastic nut with something like a screw or something weird. And then after that, you just push it from the bottom. Unplug the cable. And you're going to have this clip here, guys. So make sure to unplug it. And just like that, you have your old tail lamps or halogen tail lamp out. So we're going to install the new one. So it's going to be the same connection and everything is going to be the same. As you can see, same connection, guys. You don't have to modify it. Or just do anything. Just like that, guys. Look at the difference now. Same thing. You're going to put the screw back on. And you know the drill, guys. And make sure not to over tighten it, because remember that this is a plastic nut, guys. You don't want to break it or just anything. And then after that, just remember to put the cap on, just like that, and you're good to go. Now let me show you the difference between them. Just look at the difference, guys. Big difference. Look at the other side. And this is how the reverse light looks versus the LED light. And after that, guys, you're going to repeat the same process with the driver's side. Going to have the same plug here, and everything will be the same. Well, my friends, I hope this video can help you, and I'm going to include a link on the description below where you can buy these tail lamps. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe because we have many more Jeep videos to show you. As always, see you in the next one.